Alrighty guys, what is this and what does it do? Let's see. Guys, this is the ozone generator. Now this machine is used for when you have foul odors in your car that you can't get rid of, your car, your truck, whatever it is. You just can't get rid of it. You don't know what's causing it. You plug this machine in and it will pull the odors out. The ozone machine will emit an ozone smell to kill the bacteria and mold in the air. It uses electricity to create ozone, which binds to the smell and gets rid of them. This can kill unwanted pests as well. The ozone generator creates ozone from the oxygen within the enclosed space. This causes a lack of oxygen and the bugs will asphyxiate and die. I'm not one to take a life, but bugs are gross. This awesome machine also comes with a Wi-Fi plug. This allows you to use an app to control the machine or anything else of your choice. First, plug the Wi-Fi into an outlet. Make sure the light is blinking. Follow the instructions till setup is complete. You should have access to this machine via the Smart Life app. Set your machine to hold using the dial, and now with your phone you have full access to power it on and off. The Smart Life app also allows you to put whichever device you are using on a schedule or a timer. Now back to our video. Wow, that's a great device. So this is something that you should definitely have if you have smells that you cannot get rid of. This will definitely do the job. Now remember, you have to have this in an enclosed space and you cannot be in there because it can cause headaches, you can get dizzy, it can cause problems. Remember, it's gonna pull the oxygen out. It actually doesn't pull the oxygen out. As in the video, it creates the ozone using the oxygen in the air. That means less oxygen, more ozone, lots of headaches. So do not be in that area. Make sure if it's in an enclosed space, you have it closed up, you let this machine run. You can turn this dial to whatever number, or you put it on hold to use the app and let it do its thing. When it's finished, you turn it off, you unplug it, you pull it out and let the area air out. You gotta let it ventilate. That way, when you get into that car or you get into that space, you don't pass out due to the lack of oxygen, or you don't get an instant headache. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And if you want to pick one of these up, the link will be in the description below. It's definitely something you should have. With that being said, I'll see y'all later. Peace.